Hi there, meet the YC-200 3.2, where space-saving design meets professional humidification control. Our advanced touchscreen controller delivers instant humidity readouts, current and target humidity, wireless battery operation for flexible placement. Engineered for discrete performance, smaller than standard units, does not have a watt level, but perfect for compact cabinets up 35 cubic feet. Wide mouth design prevents spills. The innovative hydration beads system, the YC-200 3.2 professional humidity control made simple, available now for wholesale orders. I'm Cloud. Thank you for watching.